what's up? It's me, your girl, Air Princess. So for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make paper squishies. So I'm going to do like lace paper squishies. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. So guys, I want you to get paper. This is the materials you're going to be needing: a paper, a tape, a scissor, a ruler, and some markers. And like some coloring stuff like that. So yeah, and some toy stuffing. And these in this bag. You can use like for your stuffing. You can like use some trash bags, foams, cotton balls, but I really prefer using some toy stuffing like that. So yeah, let's start making. So I'm going to draw. And next step, you're going to make a circle. Like, it doesn't need to be perfect, but yeah. And you're going to so I don't know if that's good, but yeah, I'm going to change this into like a pink thing, like a girly one. So yeah, I'm going to do. By the way, guys, before I put this on time lapse, I'm going to outline this on like circles and on the lace and the plastic one. So I'm going to do that. So if you're done like coloring, this is my lace. It's super cute and really like it on my own design. So yeah. Now I want you to get your tape and start laminating your this design. So yeah. just put my name. So yeah, my name. And now we're going to laminate it as well. So yeah, see you there. So after laminating your design, your full design, I want you to cut it like this. And by the way, you can like do some mistakes because you can like cut the mistake that you. So I want you to take your this side and get your toy stuffing. Like so, and then you're going to put it in and just like break it off. And when you're done, tape your squishies. So yeah, let me just do that. Guys, I'm done, and this is like your paper squishies. It is so sweating. So yeah. It's so sweating if you tape it so well like I do. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I upload. Bye! See you in my next video.